We had been at sea for one night and one day, and we had 2 more days and nights to go of the same to get to Dakar, Senegal, on the west coast of Africa. Weather predictions seemed at worst bearable, but in reality was much more intense. Me and my boat had a hard time thrashing into the waves. We couldn't get a great angle on the wind and keep a steady bearing. I trimmed my old friend to the best of my capacities. Sometimes I regretted having taken 3 reefs in the mainsail. Then moments later, I was thankful I did. The wind picked up forcefully and the waves sharply. We were sailing black diamond ocean slopes. Old Man Atlantic snapped its fury at us on our first comeback voyage, riding its undulating, sinewy back, sharp and coarse like a scaly dragon.
I've decided to turn on the motor. Captain's decision. Been sailing rough. Constant 20, 25 knots. Big nasty waves. And sailing almost upwind. Thought it would be a beam reach, but it's been a close reach and it's been hard. Galopin doesn't do so well on a close reach, even though he's got his keel down. And now batteries are worn down. Matter of fact, I better turn on the fridge. Battery's been discharged faster than I thought during the night. I was down below 12 volts, 11.8, didn't like that. And turned on the motors a couple times just to recharge. And then during the day, I thought with the sun, didn't get charged up, but it has been that sunny and it's been battering. So finally, it's about 5 o'clock tonight. I've decided to furl up to Genoa, leave up the mainsail, and we're motor sailing. And we'll probably motor sail through most of the night. Keep the grays nice and charged. Got a better bearing now too. And hopefully get there the day after tomorrow in the morning. Man, it's tough, but we can do it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Dale, baby.
Sailing from Cape Verde Islands, and wind is pumped up here, man. We're doing about 27, 8. True wind speed. I'm motor sailing. Just got the mainsail up at 3 reefs. I think it's the only way to deal with this. I'm at a close reach. Keep a good bearing on Dakar, and I think this is gonna be going on all night, man. I got a cup of tea. A lot of milk in it, and the situation is under control and managed for the most part. Just have to get through one more day and one more night. I don't think conditions are gonna change or mellow until we get to Dakar. We're strapped in. soaked in here. Still motoring all night. Another day of this weather just not letting up, nor is the sea. Just soaked in here. Wow, with all the good fun I had in Cape Verde, all the pleasure that I had, what I'm suffering from now.
It seemed we were paying for something, suffering for our sins, or simply Neptune reminding us that it's no joke sailing the high seas. We were bounced and bruised inside Galopin's belly, soaked and salted from leaks and splashes. But we had submitted to our fate. It is part of our lives to enjoy the best and manage the worst.
Just had to add some more oil to the engine. Simone, white light was coming on and the instrument panels are all off, so I don't know, I'm a little worried about that. Hope it starts, but we'll let it cool off a little bit, get some sun, and just gonna angle the boat better, man. This wind is like hard. Autopilot's having a hard time holding on. Anyways, Simone, cool off for a bit. She did quite a job all night. Thank you, Simone. Going back inside. It's wet out here, man. Oh, it's soaked. Jesus, God. Poor little camera. I gotta clean you off.
The day had been relatively good, and the third and last night of our journey was settling down on us. We were hard-pressed to find a dry spot to lay in.
Ah, tu t'es fait une tente de camping?
C'est ça. Pour la pluie.
All hands on deck, old geezers. It's not easy to furl the Genoa in these conditions, and this was testing our resilience and courage. Now, good old Engine Simone had to roar its heartwarming thunder. And there it goes. Now to put her into gear and get Galopin going. Well done, crew. And to think that a few months ago, us two here were laid out in hospital beds recovering from major surgery. And now look at us. We're back in the saddle again, baby. So giddy up, Galopin. It was great to have you aboard on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You'll really help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday, so welcome aboard.